This is the Divoom Ditto Pro Bluetooth speaker, and it's probably one of the funkiest retro Bluetooth speakers I've seen in a while. It has a retro computer feel with clicky buttons, and its pixel screen can display cool stuff like the time, weather, social media notifications, mini games, and lots more. But we'll get into that in a bit. Right now, let's take a look at what comes in the box. Well, I say box, it's really more like a case or something. In there, you have the main star of the show, which is the speaker itself. Let's put that to the side. And you have to move the packaging a bit out of the way to get the very nicely braided USB-A to C charging cable, some reading materials, and stickers. Stickers are always appreciated. Now, looking at the design, you gotta admit, it does have that retro PC vibe with a 16 by 16 pixel display screen, which I said displays a lot of stuff, but we'll go into the details in a bit. There are 6 clicky mechanical keys. Very nice, clicky. Love the clicky sound. Reminds me of my dad's typewriter. And they're used to control most of the functions, including mode select, the display type, the volume, and switching between options. There is also a lever for voice notes and a music button for play and pause. Flipping to the back, there is a covering for the power button. When you take that up, you see the Type-C charging port and a TF card slot, just in case you're heading into a remote location with no streaming or the internet or something. You can just pop your music onto a TF card, pop it in here, and control it using that dedicated music button. The flap, though, is designed in a way that you don't have to lift it up all the time to power it on or off, which is good, which is cute. At the top, we have the speaker grills, and the back has a passive vent, kind of like the way speakers work. And the whole thing comes to a weight of about 533 grams. Overall, it will sit nicely on your desk to complete the look of your retro gaming setup, or just look cute on a desk. And before we get back to the main display, one more thing of note. See the RGB lights under the keyboard? You can even adjust how they display by holding down the mode button. And you can really get more into the nitty-gritty by downloading the Divoom app. This app lets you take in-depth control of everything about this Ditto Pro speaker. It lets you upload pixel art from a huge community of creators to suit your style. And if none of them are working for you, you can just create yours using the pixel editor and upload what you want. If you're more or less, less artistically inclined and you want to be more musically inclined, the app has a beatbox mode, which you can create your own sick beats. I failed at this because I was hungry at the time. That's my excuse. So yeah, not your average Bluetooth speaker. Speaking of which, it is pretty loud. The sound it delivers is pretty surprising for the size.
And Moses tells him God said it, but he still ain't want to free him. So God tells Moses, here's the plan, pay attention.
And the battery is 500,000 milliamp hours, which can deliver 8 hours of playback. However, that battery does take a bit of time to charge up, about 4 hours to go from 0 to 100%. Oh yeah, you can take calls on this thing because it has a microphone, which primarily is used for recording voice notes, which delete themselves after you've played it for some reason. And to activate that, you just pull on the lever for a few seconds, the microphone symbol shows up, and off you go. Once it plays, it's gone. Why? Because nobody wants to hear you self-affirm, your narcissistic views. Moving on. You can find these in black, blue, green, pink, and white, and it costs about 100 USD. Divoom did send me a couple of discount codes, I think. If I find them, I will pop them in the description below. And I'll also do some more videos on some more of their quirky pixel tech. And if you're into that, subscribe to see the next video. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next one.